The word pro has been tossed around a lot these days, and with companies so easy to call everything pro, it makes you really wonder, are you pro? Am I pro? Is everything pro? Like, do they know what the definition of pro is anymore? What am I kidding? If they can name headphones pro, next they could name a toilet pro. God, I probably just gave some inspiration.
Boys and girls of every age, would you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our Halloween.
Hey, what's up everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid. And guys, we're going to talk about 3 stories today. 2 of them are going to be Apple, and one of them we're going to focus on Samsung, and also maybe as a bonus, the Galaxy S11. Pixel 4. I'll save that for next time. But let's get right into the video. So the first story up of the day is, of course, going to Apple. Now, Apple's AirPods Pro, yes, that is the running name, AirPods Pro. They are going to be the AirPods 3, and Ming-Chi Kuo has come out with a suggestion that he believes that the AirPods 3, I'm going to call them AirPods 3, they're going to be coming out at the end of October. Now that's a pretty bold prediction since Apple has not released any information, nor have they released any invites for the October event. Now, I do think that by releasing at the end of October, it would make a lot of sense because not only would it start the holiday season because, you know, November into December, people start buying up their gifts and everybody's always going to be jumping for them AirPods. But in this case, the AirPods 3, or dubbed AirPods Pro, are basically supposed to be the new redesigned AirPods that a lot of renders and a lot of mock-ups have been pointing at with an in-ear design, and Kuo is saying that it will have active noise canceling to help reduce the noise. Now, for me, I'm a little split. First of all, I don't understand why they're calling earbuds Pro. Now, if you look at something like the Liberty 2 Pro, the Anker Liberty 2 Pro, you could make a valid argument because that headphone was designed with different channels and 10-time Grammy Award winners, and that is a true professional headphone that's basically tuned acoustically for better sounding. They're beam-forming sounds with microphones, and basically, in summary, it just sounds more professional. When I think of pro headphones, I think of headphones like AKG, studio-grade headphones with specific devices. When I see Powerbeats Pro, AirPods Pro, Beats Solo Pro, they're not professional. Those are average consumer headphones. Professional headphones are headphones that work with specific instruments, and they're not wireless, that's for starters. So to call these headphones Pro, I think is ridiculous. If it's a naming thing, that's fine. But to go out and say these are the most professional headphones we've ever made, that is just truly inaccurate. Powerbeats Pro are just workout headphones. The Solo Pros are on-ear headphones with noise cancelers. And now the AirPods Pro are just earbuds with active noise canceling. You don't see Sony making Pro headphones, although they kind of do. But the idea is that, back to the story, I don't understand why they're calling these headphones Pro, and it doesn't make sense to me, but if it's a naming thing, then okay. But I really think the word Pro is getting tossed around, because there are real Pro things out there, like my next story, that deserve that title. And the price for these headphones are rumored to be in the $260 range. That is going to be a very, very bad mistake for Apple. Because first of all, it's not too off because, you know, you got the Microsoft headphones, which just, I don't know how the hell they came out with that. But on the second hand, like, I don't know. This is one of those stories where I can understand why they're raising the price, but do I really want to see that? Because I don't. I don't want to see $260 earbuds that don't sound great. They sound muffled. AirPods have always been known to have decent sound quality, but not the best. If you want good sound quality, go Galaxy Buds or anything else. So if they were to upgrade the sound quality, make it more clearer, and stop emphasizing the bass, then maybe I could say something different. But until then, I don't know. That's just me. So AirPods Pro may be coming out at the end of the month, Ming-Chi Kuo predicts, and hopefully he's right. Next story up, the MacBook Pro. Now, the MacBook Pro is due for a refresh. The butterfly keys are just a failure. Everybody wants the 16-inch, and it needs better cooling. Well, we got our first image of it in macOS Catalina Beta 1 for 10.15.1, and this is what it looks like. Now, at first glance, you're probably saying to yourself, it doesn't really look different, and you're right. But if you look closely, the chassis is a smudge thicker. So hopefully with that thick chassis, it maybe increases airflow, has better cooling. I really hope Apple puts a better cooling system in the MacBook. Literally, the Xbox One X and smartphones have better cooling systems than a professional $1,000, $2,000 computer. But also, if you notice, the keyboards are chiclet. So it looks like they're going for a low-profile chiclet style, and I'm happy about that as well. So that way we can hopefully end all the problems with the freaking dust and all the keys, sticky keys. Like, let's just hope it ends. Now, I really can't judge it because this is just one image. I would have to see a little more, but it really looks like more like a throwback instead of a new design. But that's just me. So that's the MacBook Pro 16-inch, and last story of the day is Samsung. So as you know, there have been reports going around that Samsung's phones are easily unlockable because the fingerprint scanner just works for any random person, and it's kind of shocking. Well, Samsung has come out and said that they are going to patch that with a software update. And Android fans, I gotta be honest, you love to talk OD shit about Apple, but when it comes to your property, you're like, oh, well, but wait, we could scurry and, oh, it is the software. I'm sorry, but it sounds like you're just making an excuse just to be like, oh, we're not Apple, we're different, but like, you're falling in the same area as Apple, because Apple has the same problems. You like to talk crap about them, but when you get those problems, you scurry like rats to try to find an excuse. And it amazes me, because then you guys try to backtrack and go, oh yeah, software fixes everything. Same could be said with iPhones and iOS. So literally, stop trying to trample your shit just because you think Apple is just as bad. Bro, you guys are in the same boat. Y'all have the same issues, but you don't see Apple fans going, oh, well, blah, 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 blah. They don't see them talking shit. They're like, okay, we got a problem. Apple will definitely fix it. You guys, on the other hand, oh, ha, 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 you guys suck. We got the best security. But when literally an in-display fingerprint scanner, oh, software patch. Software patch. Yeah, software patch. Like, stop scurrying to find an answer and just accept it. I don't know. Sometimes these things amaze me. And that's it for today's episode of Tech Noise. So guys, this is a short episode. I want to keep it simple. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your thoughts down below about the new MacBook Pro, the AirPods Pro, and hell, even Samsung's response to fixing the security issue. And as always, guys, if you like what you see, hit the like button. If you dislike what you saw, hit the dislike button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace!